Come and see the beauty of Ottawa, a city that will steal your heart away. From Parliament Hill to the Rideau Canal, there's so much to explore every single day. Hey, Ottawa, oh Ottawa, a city that never sleeps. Come on down, get ready for a treat. Oh Ottawa, so much to do and see. You'll leave with memories oh so sweet. Take a stroll through the Barnum Market, where flavors and colors come alive. Catch a show at the National Arts Center, and let your spirit on clouds nine. Hey.
Welcome to the Citra21Channel, your portal to thrilling and captivating content. Today we'll be exploring Ottawa, Canada's beating heart. Nestled in the eastern part of southern Ontario, Ottawa is not just a political hotspot, but it's also Canada's fourth largest city with a population surpassing 1 million. Selected by Queen Victoria in the mid-19th century for its strategic location, Ottawa is historically significant to Canada. Presently, it is a symbol of Canadian democracy and is well regarded for its bilingual society where English and French coexist. This distinct characteristic enhances Ottawa's cultural richness. The city is a melting pot of customs and traditions, with influences from the Indigenous First Nations to immigrants from around the world, shaping its unique cultural landscape. From the awe-inspiring Parliament Building's Gothic architecture to the Rideau Canal's tranquility, from the buzzing Byward Market to the Canadian Museum of History's abundant heritage, Ottawa is a treasure trove of experiences that cater to diverse tastes and interests. With its cultural festivals, world-class museums, culinary delights, and outdoor adventures, Ottawa never fails to impress. So, with its rich past and dynamic culture, Ottawa is more than just Canada's capital. It's a cultural dynamo. Our first stop in Ottawa is Parliament Hill, an emblem of Canadian democracy. Rising majestically on a hill overlooking the Ottawa River, these grand buildings hold a significant place in the hearts of Canadians. Let's take a moment to admire the stunning Gothic architecture of the Parliament buildings, the intricate stone carvings, the imposing Peace Tower, and the soaring arches reflect a rich history and a commitment to democratic ideals. Each stone, each statue, each architectural element carries a story, a testament to the nation's journey through time. In the heart of Canada's capital, these buildings aren't just for politicians and lawmakers. No, they are a living monument, a place where citizens and visitors alike can walk the halls of power and feel the pulse of the nation. When summer graces Ottawa with its warm embrace, Parliament Hill becomes the stage for the changing of the guard ceremony. The spectacle unfolds with military precision, a vibrant display of pageantry that harks back to the traditions of the British Commonwealth. The scarlet tunics, the black bearskin hats, the stirring music, it's a sight that leaves an indelible mark on the memory. Let's not forget the view from Parliament Hill. As you stand on the hilltop, the panorama of Ottawa River unfurls. Before your eyes, a ribbon of blue that meanders through the city. Across the river, the Gatineau hills rise in the distance, their verdant slopes a stark contrast to the urban landscape. It's a view that is at once serene and humbling, reminding us of the beauty and vastness of Canada. Parliament Hill is not just a place of governance, but a symbol of Canadian identity and pride. It's a place that echoes with the voices of the past and resonates with the dreams of the future. A place that, no matter where you come from, makes you feel a part of the grand narrative that is Canada. Moving on from the political hub, we find ourselves at the Rideau Canal, an engineering marvel. This impressive waterway has an intriguing past, rooted in the political and military strategies of the 19th century. Born out of conflict and fear of American invasion, the canal was designed as a secure supply and communication route. It's a tangible marker of the turbulent times that shaped Canada's early identity. But as the threat of war faded, the Rideau Canal began to evolve. No longer needed for defense, it found a new purpose in the heart of the Ottawa community, transforming into a recreational haven. Today, it's a hub of activity, a place where locals and visitors alike come to relax and have fun. In the summer, the canal is a boater's paradise, with pleasure craft navigating its tranquil waters. You'll see kayakers paddling leisurely, families picnicking by its banks, and cyclists exploring the scenic pathways that line this extraordinary waterway. It's a place of laughter and leisure, where the worries of the world seem to fade away. But the magic doesn't end with the summer. As the temperatures drop, the Rideau Canal transforms once again, this time into the world's largest skating rink. Imagine gliding along nearly 8 kilometers of ice, under a canopy of twinkling stars, or amidst a gentle snowfall. It's an experience that's quintessentially Canadian. The Rideau Canal's exceptional history and recreational value have not gone unnoticed. It's recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, an honor that places it among the world's most significant cultural landmarks. This recognition is a testament to the canal's enduring importance and its ability to adapt and remain relevant throughout the centuries. The Rideau Canal is a testament to Ottawa's past and present, a place where history and leisure meet. It's a year-round attraction that reflects the city's resilience and love for life. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who appreciates natural beauty, the Rideau Canal has something to offer you. Our journey continues to the National Gallery of Canada, a paradise for art lovers. Nestled in the heart of Ottawa, this majestic institution houses an impressive collection of paintings, sculptures, and photographs that span centuries and continents. Imagine getting lost in a sea of color, texture, and emotion as you wander through expansive galleries filled with masterpieces from around the world. Each room unfolds a new chapter of art history, offering glimpses into the minds of artists who have shaped our cultural landscape. Take a moment to marvel at the iconic Maman spider sculpture, a towering figure that greets visitors with a blend of awe and intrigue. Crafted by the renowned artist Louise Bourgeois, this sculpture stands as a testament to the power of art to provoke thought and stir emotions. As you delve deeper into the gallery, you'll discover a rich tapestry of Canadian and Indigenous art, from the vibrant landscapes of the Group of Seven to the poignant narratives of Indigenous artists. These works invite you to explore the diverse and dynamic spirit of Canada. And it's not just the artwork that's breathtaking. The National Gallery itself is a masterpiece of modern architecture. With its sweeping glass facade and spacious light-filled interiors, the gallery frames the city's skyline in a whole new light. Every corner, every angle offers a unique perspective, transforming the cityscape into a living canvas. As the sun sets, the gallery takes on a different hue. The city lights, shimmering through the glass walls, create a mesmerizing backdrop for the artworks, adding another layer of magic to your visit. The National Gallery of Canada is more than just a museum. It's a place where art comes alive, where stories are told and retold, where every visit offers a new adventure. It's a place that celebrates the beauty of creativity and the power of human expression. The National Gallery of Canada offers a feast for the eyes and a journey into the soul of Canadian and Indigenous art. As our journey in Ottawa comes to an end, the memories and experiences remain. We've soaked in the grandeur of Parliament Hill, a symbol of Canada's rich history and political heart. We've meandered along the Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which transforms from a serene waterway in summer to the world's largest skating rink in winter. We've also immersed ourselves in the country's artistic spirit at the National Gallery of Canada, home to some of the most extraordinary works of art. These highlights barely scratch the surface of what Ottawa has to offer. This city, resplendent with its natural beauty, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, invites you to craft your own unique adventure. So, come, explore, discover, and fall in love with Ottawa. As we bid farewell to the city, we carry with us the spirit of Ottawa, etched in our hearts. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, family, and groups. Thanks for watching Citra21 Channel.